Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a video about mobile Photoshop or Photoshop Express, and I would like to show you the way how to delete the project on your mobile Photoshop. So the first thing you have to do, open your mobile Photoshop on your phone, and then just need to go click it, and here is the look. To access the project that you have, you just need to take a look on this button features and jump into the My Project. And now you just need to find which project that you want to delete. So here, if you already found it, you just need to go click these three small dots on the project, and there will be pop up two options here of rename and delete. So if you want to delete it, just go click delete and confirm that you want to delete this project, and the project will be automatically removed from your files. So that's the way how to delete your project on a mobile Photoshop, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.